So first of all, congratulations on the launch of your book Rang De Basanti. So on that note, we have usually seen books being adapted into movies and films. How and when did it strike to you that you should share the script with all of us? How and when?
I think it's about time, and the way movie has withstood time, I would say. It was important to take it to the next level and share things which have gone before the making of the film, during the making of the film, what happened to the film after the making of the film. So all these things are very, very important. Not just for students of cinema. For students of cinema, will be invaluable, but even for people who love the movie and who love movies and who love Rang De Basanti, they'll find it. I'm sure they'll find it an interesting thing to have in their library.
Great, sir. That is awesome. Sir, would you like to share your views on how does it feel to be associated with Pune International Tree Festival, especially with a social theme like animal welfare?
You can't say enough about it. Lit festivals are so important, and Pune Lit Festival in a city like Pune, in an institution like MIT, is amazing. Just by giving it words, I might just downsize it. It makes me feel very happy, very content, very wholesome, which is amazing. And it's like to have the central theme as conservation of wildlife is again something which is so important in today's time, and it will be needless to say that not enough is being done about it, but that it is happening through Pune Lit Festival, it's so heartening. I'm so happy.
So do you think it will actually have an impact on people who have come across to attend this festival?
It doesn't matter whether it will have impact or not. As long as the festival believes in it, they are doing it. It means it's already had an impact on people who are doing it. Now it's up. Having impact is a matter of choice. I have to personally choose what will have impact on me. Otherwise, whatever happens might not have an impact. Even an atomic explosion might not have an impact on me. It's my choice to be. So there's a great awareness there, and it's up to people how they take it on.
Thank you so much for sharing your views with us, sir. Thank you.